Now we are doing the reverse structure. What's the reverse structure? Usually the front loop will transfer to the back. After knit, the loop on the back needle bed will transfer to the front side. But sometimes there's a mistake. This means when the back needle transfer front, the front needle couldn't catch the loop successfully. Normally, when the back loop transfer front, this front needle will go through the needle hook and catch the loop and take to the front needle bed. But why this problem happens, we need to check some points. First, whether needle hook is okay. Another problem is we need to test the cam system, because now we are using the second system. You can see the front needle reaching to the very highest point. But it should not be going that high point. So there must be some cams which not working properly. So what we need to do is to test the cam systems. First, we need to test the back transfer cam. It's working. Then, because the front needle bed is doing the get action, so we need to test the get cam, whether it's working or not. Yes, it's not working. How to rule out these problems? First, we need to check the connection of the get solenoid. Yeah, this is wrong. This is the cable was a little aft. We need to put it inside the slot tightly. Now we test again. Now it's working. Another point we need to examine is whether the solenoid is burnt. But now because after we test it's working, so the solenoid means solenoid is working well. So let's try again. Now you can see the get needle goes through the needle hook to get the back loop from the back needle bed. Now we already solved the problem.